Hello everybody, my name is Angelina and today I'm going to share with you 5 of the most important components of a stellar resume. Listen up, because the information I'm going to share with you will increase your odds of being called in for interviews. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you include your personal information, the name of your university, your major, and your anticipated graduation date. For each section, list your experiences in order from most recent to oldest. Then, go through your resume and match up the terms and language you use with the keywords in the job descriptions of the positions you're applying for. The ability to connect your personal experiences to the job is extremely attractive to employers. Highlight your engagement on and off campus. This can include your involvement with student organizations, athletics, Greek life, volunteerism, or any other extracurricular activities. Include relevant and impactful courses you've taken, especially courses where you learned a technical program, conducted research, completed a project, or presented to your class. Now it's time to transform your resume or create a new one from scratch. Remember, you can always reach out to your internship coordinators or your career advisors for any additional support you may need. With that, I wish you the best of luck in the search for your next position.